In this video, we're going to be learning about rising and falling wedges. They're quite similar to triangles, but they don't play out like the triangles, okay? Now, this is an example of the rising wedge, and this is an example of the falling wedge. Okay, so these are examples of the rising wedge, these are examples of the falling wedge. So the rising wedge could be either continuation or reversal. So it's more of a bilateral form of pattern, bilateral pattern. It happens either as a reversal or as a continuation pattern. So for this one, we can see that the market came here, hit this point, came down, hit here, hit here, hit here, hit here, and then reversed here. Okay. Now the target, if when it breaks out, will be the same as from here to here. So also with this one, we can see that it came from low, hit here, hit here, hit here, hit here, hit here, then broke out at this point, and then the target is also the same with this. So this is a reversal scenario, and this is a continuation scenario. Now for this rising wedge, or rather the falling wedge, this is the rising wedge, and this is the falling wedge. Now for this falling wedge, this is a continuation, while this is a reversal. So you can see that came here, mid here, came down, mid here, came down, and then broke out. And then the target is the same as this. Same for the falling wedge. Came here, fell down to this point, tested here, tested here, tested here, tested here, and then broke out. And the target is here to here. So this is just how the falling and rising wedges play out. Now for the live examples, we have one example here on Euro USD 15 minutes. You can see that the market came from down, hit here, hit here, hit here, hit here, hit here, hit here, and then now reversed. So this is a reversed kind of scenario. And then we have this one. This is probably a higher time frame. Okay. Then came, hit here, hit here, hit here, hit here, hit here, and then the market reversed, right? Yeah, the market reversed to the downside. We also have, okay, I think these are the two examples we have for the rising and falling wedges. We'll go in here. Let's see if we can find some examples of the rising and falling wedges. Can we find some examples? Let's see. I think I can see an example here. Yeah, so this is an example of the rising wedge. You can see that the market came here, came down, hit here, came here, hit here, hit here, hit here, and then broke up to the upside. Broke up to the upside. Now, if we are going to calculate the target, just come draw the line here and then drag it to this point, and now we can see that the target is the same as the distance we made here. Okay, so this is a perfect example of a wedge. This is a rising wedge, and it's more of a reversal, I would say, even though it can be called a continuation on the bigger picture, because you can see that from here it was actually an uptrend before it came, made this lower low. But based on here, we can say this is a reversal. Okay, so this is one example. Let's see if we can get another example. You can see another example. Remember, you just have to look very closely to see these examples. Could we see this? Let's draw a trend line and see. So some could say this is a wedge also. So possibly. So we could say this is a wedge. Came here, rising wedge again, then broke out, and we can see the profit it made from here to here is approximately the same as when it broke out. Broke out here, you buy here when it retests. Okay, so this is breakout trading. Some traders will just enter whenever it just breaks out, but I don't do that. It's very unreliable to do that. I usually wait for it to retest the level before I enter for a buy. I'm a trend following trader. I like to follow the trend. do not follow the trend because the trend is your friend. If you follow the trend, if you do not follow the trend, you get wounded, my friend. Yeah, okay, this looks closer to a triangle. I think we drew this pattern the other time when we were studying the triangle. So this looks closer to a triangle, not a wedge. The trend is your friend, my friend. Do not go against the trend. Yeah. So do we have a wedge here? Yeah, so I think we have a wedge here. We have a wedge here. It came here, came down, touched here, and then broke up. You see, it broke out here and then retested. Then we enter for a buy, and good. Trading the forex market is actually very interesting when the trend is your friend. That's when you follow the trend. When you follow the trend, the market plays out very well in your favor when you follow the trend. Actually, not following the trend has cost me a lot of money. I lost a lot of money when starting out, and thank God you have me to advise you. Always follow the trend. Always follow the trend. The trend is your friend. I won't stop saying that. That statement cannot be overemphasized. Follow the trend because the trend is your friend. Now we have another wedge here. This is a falling wedge. You can see that it's kind of a continuation pattern here. So the market came here, hit here, came down, hit here, came down, hit, and then broke down to the lower side. Now, if we calculate our target, we can see that we made our target. We even made way beyond our target. Way beyond our target. Good. Now it kept trending downwards. It's a good way of entering trades. It's a good way of entering trades with the price patterns. And if we were to analyze this market, we would have seen that the market was in a serious downtrend. So this will just served as a confirmation. This breakout here just served as a confirmation to the long downtrend that the market had been. The market had been in a very long downtrend. Okay, like I said, always follow the trend. The trend is your friend. Now that's it for this video. At least we've looked at quite a number of examples. In the next video, we will look at even more patterns. Okay, that's it for this video, and hope to see you in the next video. Bye.